Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to set a custom ringtone on the AGM H6. So first open settings by scrolling down and down again and press this little button here to open settings. In settings, look for sound and vibration option. And here, pick the SIM card you want. As you can see here, you can select from a variety of pre-installed sounds, or to set a custom one, just scroll all the way down and press Add Ringtone. Now look for the file you want. Here it is. Select it, press OK. Just like that, you install the custom ringtone. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.